So guys, I will mention that I will mention that and I will mention. Oh my god. Hey, so guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, we are playing badminton right now, so let's show him what I'm capable of. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Okay, come on. Oh, where is it? Oh, he lost it. He lost it. Oh my goodness. So guys, there's a small problem. My brother lost the shuttlecock. So I'm gonna kill him.
Run.
As you guys know that I'm trying to reach up to 500,000 subscribers by the end of this year on my YouTube channel. So just subscribe, support me, and yeah, we can do it if we try it. So just click the subscribe button right now. So yes, it's not just a thumbnail. I did got a bird, and I'm so excited to show you guys, and I'll be back in a second. So guys, I'm back. Look who it is. So this is Fulla, Fulla, and she is a pineapple conure, and I bought her a week ago, and I always wanted a pet, and my father said, let's get a bird. So I got a bird. Hi. She's so cute and very friendly. Yeah. And she is 3 or 4 months old, and oh my god, stop it. Fulla, come here, come here, come here, out. So yeah, it's very funny. And if you want to watch a day in Fulla's life, I'll do it. So I'll make that video possible. If you want to watch it, comment down below right now and like this video. Also subscribe, okay? Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh. So guys, there's a little bit of problem. When I turned off my camera, she pooped on me. Look at this. Oh. And if you want to buy a bird, watch out, okay? Oh. Now I wanna change my t-shirt. Oh, and I've changed my t-shirt. And this is the next day, and this is some kind of a bird formula, and she loves it. So let's feed her. So this is her cage. Oh, look at that. Come here. Oh my god. Always on the head. Look at that. She loves it. Come here. Come here. Hello. So right now I'm gonna show you something very beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. It feels like expensive. I don't know how expensive it is, but it is so beautiful. Look at this. This feels like a really expensive Easter egg. Look inside of it. Wow. Dang. What?